We're running an immersive learning event soon, and I'm here to talk a bit about the kit that we're going to be showing. This is the Oculus Go. It's a standalone VR headset. Now, the 90s have a lot to answer for when you think VR, things like helmets, bulky gloves, wires, maybe even a body stocking. But the game's all changed, and we're getting serious about VR now because it's hit its iPhone moment. In the same way that the iPhone brought digital available to everybody, the Oculus Go is going to do the same thing for VR. So, you pop it on, and that's it, you're ready to go. It takes all of the pain and hassle out of VR hardware. And it's not going to break the bank either, because for $2,500 you can get 10 for your L&D department. So then it's just a matter of thinking about your immersive learning design software and approach. And that's where we can really help you. So we're going to be talking about this and a whole bunch of other things at our Learning Studio session soon. So if you'd like to know more, get in touch.